What is up? Today we're playing Teardown. Hopefully you like this because oh god, it won't let me get out of the mods. Oh shoot, that made it even glitchier. So I will be back in three. I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Pause. So if you ask what I was actually doing, I was currently grabbing the charger so it would run better. Okay, no. If you ask, yes, this is my gaming setup. Hold on. Well, right now, if the audio is bad, I am the sorriest man on earth. I'm hoping this video can get at least 5 likes. Well, let's hope my game doesn't crash. It's definitely gonna crash, I know that. Because this video takes over the graphics. They want to make the graphics awesome, and then that screws up, and then that screws up, all that. Well, we're looking at Huey's. Is there a thingy? Oh yeah, and you asked. There's a gun we'll be playing with. Holy crap, that scared me. The volume's on like 20. Here. How about we just like cut these off? Oh my god. If this works, I swear to god, I just made a carcopter. I fixed the world. And oh my god. Oh, and by the way, when you watch this video, comments are now enabled. They're enabled, so now you can leave comments down below, like, what game should I play next? Oh yeah, I forgot these were here. Get wrecked. This one has 4. Why can't I freaking drive these? Oh, there. How? I just broke humanity. How do we go up? Choo 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 choo. Oh god, I love these. Next map. What? We're back. And if you hear like a Crafty video in the distance, don't ask. It's my brother watching Crafty. Oh god, I love this game. Who's SCP-022? Oh, him. The indestructible orb that I somehow broke. You can't even snap stuff. Well, you can snap stuff on here. It doesn't really do anything. Look. You can't even do anything there. What's the friggin' point? Yeah, the funny thing is, when you get a tow truck in the campaign mode, and you go to the place where you gotta, like, steal saves, you can just, like, tie it on if you have, like, a cable mod. Wait, I forgot I had this mod. Woo! Is he dead? No one knows! Naruto! Hadouken! Wait, that was from Street Fighter. Okay. Ah, game. One of the reasons why this game is lagging is because I have so many, you know why, so many mods. And today we're going to be playing with the ice gun. I did not mean for that to happen. I'm sorry, Jimmy, but you had to die. Wait. I'm a genius. The only thing that can stop this This is basically, this came from HELL. So basically, the opposite of that is heaven, which is ice. We can kill it with ice. Oh my god, it's working. No. Oh, why would I even think that? Oh, that's probably like the funniest thing I've ever said today. Open up! Even... I don't like that sound. Do 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 do. Open up. This is the FBI. Yeah, literally. For example, here's proof that you can't destroy it. Acid, the acid gun will literally almost melt through anything. Look. It's not even burning through. Only the ice, though. Here. Let's go have some fun. Oh, God, this could be fun. That's sizzling. What is that freaking sizzling? ATST die. Uh-oh, that was a mistake. Nope. Wait. If you go to Star Wars AI pack, and then you're gonna grab an ATST, and then you grab a trap, which it'll hopefully get over, or what it'll hopefully get over, will step on. Did I snap it out of existence? Happy birthday to you. Get wrecked, mother. What? No, you're supposed to get in to the bear trap. Get in. Come on, you stupid little zombie. You're worse. Will you just die and get the frickin' bear trap? There we go. I just chopped his whole head off. What? Now where the frick is the ATST? Oh, Jesus Christ. You don't exist. Get out. Die. Why is he floating? I don't feel safe when he's floating. Oh, yeah, and by the way, right here is my gaming setup. I'll grab a better computer soon if your screen is laggy and the audio for my voice is bad. I am really sorry. Wait till you watch to the end. Remember, like and subscribe if you want to see more Teardown. And comment down below if you want to see more Teardown. And maybe if we get enough likes and subscribes, I will do forts. Which most of you probably don't know what that is. So, what the flip, dude? Where's the trap? Hold on. I swear to God. And hopefully, when I edit the video, I don't screw up the audio like last time. Okay, there's the bear trap. And now, we're gonna grab the ATST. Weirdest thing ever, but okay. What the bro? Come here, ATST, get on trap. Why didn't it work? Get on the trap. Yeah, got it. Oh, that's so cool. I just stepped in a mother load. Oh, Jesus. I should probably like turn off the zombies because they're actually getting pretty annoying now. Oh my God. Imagine if I had a freaking AT-AT walk through that. For an ATST, this is a lot. For an actual ragdoll, this is a lot. Just one could kill him, so don't land on the other bear trap, please. Don't. Okay. Can we trap Obi-Wan? Yes, I believe so. Come on, stupid! Stupid little Obi-Wan. Come on. Obi-Wan, you're better than this. Holy crap, dude. Bro. Get out of my life. Get out of my life. There we go, now I'm happy. I don't understand what the frick is happening. Wait, what the I swear to God. I'm out for blood. Holy crap. Can I at least spawn a freaking ATST? Because apparently my game is broken. No, get away. You're gonna have to get towards me, okay? Zombie, you get out of here. Come on, ATST. Hopefully I don't step in that. Don't do it. Swear to God. You better step in it. Yeah! You gotta be kidding me. Just step in the frickin' bear trap. Come on. Lift your foot. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, come on. Holy crap! Bear trap! Die, mother trucker! Die, mother trucker! Jesus, just playing with this ATST reminds me of Guardians of the Galaxy for some reason. Uh-oh, wrong way. Come on. We just at least have to, like, grab its ankle so it just dies. Okay, now we're gonna grab. Come here. It's like putting a cast on. Come on. Die! Why did I grab its leg? It's the dumbest thing ever. Just step in the freaking trap. Holy crap, it's that hard. Did I get it? Okay, let's not play on this map anymore. Well, next map, we are finally playing. It's the greatest moment of all of history. You remember me? I think we've got, if I have enough time, if I can get this done before 20 minutes, we will go to the Minecraft Villager map. My game probably just crashed. Well, it did crash, but I fixed it, and then it crashed. And now I fixed it again. Ah, that was dumb. No one else is dumb? Run. Screw this. Oh God, it's a meteor. Did that even go through the roof? The last part didn't even go through the roof. Did it go through the back? I had a feeling it went through the back. It went through the back. Okay, Mikey. Go. But I fixed it. And I hate that there's zombies spawning, because now I just go, die! And just spam meteors. Oh, it's like the best thing of all time. Are those things indestructible? Except on impact? Oh, the lag. Ah, the lag. It's not lagging for you, it's lagging. Usually on the footage it's way laggier, but... Who's it? I swear to God, there's something here. So let's try to get at least like 1,000 subscribers, please. So I can get this gear and then kill this ghost, for God's sake. I want this ghost out. I don't like it. It's terrifying. I hear everything at night. So now, instead of... Okay, never mind. Oh, Jesus. I don't like this. It's just me and my brother in this room and no one else. So if you want to leave a comment or a like and subscribe, for example, if you're zoomed in, here, for example, what you gotta do is, hold on, did my phone die? You gotta be kidding me. Nope. What you gotta do is you gotta go to a video like this, for example. Go from this, then click that. You go here, click subscribe, and I can't do comments on my phone, so set some S10. For some reason, it doesn't let me do comments. I watch videos how to do comments, I can't figure out how, so. And I literally beg for subscribes, because... And go check out my last video. It was me on tabs checking out military units. And if you liked Minecraft Part 2, leave a like and subscribe for Minecraft Part 3 too. What the f... Get out of my life, sucker. And if I get my gun games back, maybe Call of Duty. I know some people like Call of Duty, but it'll definitely not be a kids movie. But we'll see about that. Oh, and some news. Wait, hold on. What's that? Is that new? I can't remember. I haven't played this. Teardown in a long time. Can I crawl on the machine? Oh my God, I've been wanting to do this since I was 3 in real life. Holy crap. This is amazing. Did I break it? I'm happy if I broke it. Oh God, it's heads! Die, mother chicken! So yeah. We're not gonna be able to check out the Minecraft map. So, please, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Peace. Wait, what?